In contrast to the previous Lok Sabha, when the opposition forced a joint parliamentary committee on Citizenship Amendment Bill with almost every opposition party submitting a dissent note, the support for the controversial legislation to be introduced by the current BJP-led government seems to be growing, a media report said. According to BJP sources, 112 members in the Rajya Sabha are already supporting the CAB and the party is expecting more parties to join them. The current strength of the upper house is 238. In its previous term, the government could not push the bill through the Rajya Sabha due to lack of numbers. The Indian Air Force Thursday said Air Chief Marshal RKS Bhadauria was safe following reports of a shooting incident at the Joint Base Pearl Harbor Hickam in Hawaii, where he is participating in a conclave of air chiefs. A US Navy sailor killed 2 people before taking his own life at the military base in the early hours of the morning. The 2 deceased were reportedly civilians working for the US Department of Defense. The motive of the attack has not been ascertained. The Northeast Students' Organization NESO on Wednesday came down heavily on the BJP-led government at the center over the cabinet decision on the Citizenship Amendment Bill. The NESO was of the opinion that the government had imposed the bill on the indigenous communities of the Northeast. The Hill State People's Democratic Party has welcomed the peace talk offer of the banned Hainu Tribe National Liberation Council in Meghalaya and urged the government not to ignore the offer.